Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all, it is time for Sunday dinner idea segment. This is going to be different type of Sunday dinner idea segment. This is going to be like a Monday motivational menu idea favorite. Because this thing is so quick. I already know the name. You already seen the name in the PV picture. Old school Southern goulash. Let me make this disclaimer already. This is not no German goulash. So people from Germany and East Coast, this is Southern goulash like we make in the South. It's totally different from the goulash that you get in German or the Austrian descent. And some people in the East Coast, they make goulash a different way with brown gravy and cubed beef and all that. No, that ain't goulash in the South. Goulash in the South is ground meat and macaroni noodles with some tomato sauce. That's exactly what I'm about to make here. So I'm going to move y'all over here. I've had a long day today, y'all, and I'm hungry. I've been doing a barbecue cook-off competition, judging competition all day. It's almost 6:30 p.m. I've been gone since 7 a.m. But I'm hungry, and I say I got to do this video. Well, I got to eat. So I'm going to make this video, easy video today for them to enjoy Sunday. So, yeah. So that's what I'm doing now, y'all. It's 6:30 in the evening, and I'm still up doing it. Had an awesome time judging the barbecue for the high school. I guess y'all saw that online. I love volunteering for stuff like that, y'all. I mean, you can just call me, like I say, when it's for kids or animals or elderly, I'm there. I am there, y'all. So right now, I got my onions in here. I'm going to saute them off a little. Then I'm going to add my ground beef. I got my noodles back here. I'm going to get going in the back here. I got a pound of macaroni here. Go in here. I got the water salted already. Like I say, y'all, this is what my mama used to make. I think we had goulash 4 times a month. It's so easy to make. So good. So filling. You can add everything to it. I add corn to mine just to kind of give it a filler. I love corn. So I add corn to mine right at the end. So anyway, y'all, I'm going to step off. No, I ain't going to step off nothing. I'm going to add this ground meat in here. I'm going to keep y'all here. Because this here is about good. And you can add garlic to this if you want to. You can add bell peppers. You can put onions. But all I'm putting is onions. I mean, you can put bell peppers and celery. But all I'm putting is onions, y'all. Okay, now I'm going to add my ground meat to this. This is when I'm going to step off. Because I'm going to get this ground meat really, really browned off all the way completely. And then we're going to come back after I brown it off. We're going to season it up. Add our tomato products. The macaroni should be already ready. And this goulash is going to be so easy to come together. I know y'all know about goulash. Yeah. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all. We're back here. Okay. Now, I'm going to season this with salt and pepper. A little Cabernet here. I know I love my Cabernet Greek seasoning, y'all. Love it. Got everybody out there using it. Cabernet, they should sponsor me, huh? 'Cause I love it. I mean, I will, even if they don't sponsor me, I love this stuff. It's amazing. Stir my macaroni back here in the back. Looking good back there. Now, I'm going to add my tomato products. Got some tomato sauce. Mix that in. My mama, she used to put ketchup in there. You got no tomato sauce, put some ketchup. Okay, put some diced tomatoes in there. A crushed tomato, whatever you have. Let that simmer just a little. And then we're going to add some tomato paste to this, y'all. We'll give it some body. Tomato paste gonna give it a little bit more color, and it's gonna give it some body. I'm gonna put a little small can of tomato paste to this. Come over there. Yeah, this is a good meal, y'all, to make on a Sunday. You can do this after church, y'all. It comes together so easily. Okay. Now normally I have to add a little sugar to this to balance off the bitterness of the tomato paste. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get it all incorporated in here. Like I say, this is, tomato paste is just a natural thickener to a tomato, to a meat sauce or anything that has tomato products in it. That's all it is, y'all. Oh, you see how thick that came together? See how thick it is? Nothing worse than a sauce that's so watery and doesn't cling to the pasta. That's a pet peeve of mine. Okay, put a little sugar in here to balance the bitterness of the tomato paste. Because tomato paste is very bitter. Okay. Y'all see how easy this coming together? Check my pasta back here. Let me see. I think it's ready, y'all. Check this noodle here. A little bit more and it'll be ready. Okay. Now let me taste my sauce here. Turn it down. Taste my sauce right here. Actually, we need a little bit more salt and pepper, not much. A half a teaspoon. I'm gonna go. Look how easy that come together, y'all. See that? How easy that came together? Like I said, y'all, you can add celery to this, green bell peppers, garlic, but I'm doing it like my mama did. She wasn't fancy with it. Okay, check my pasta back here. It is ready. What I'm gonna do, turn this down, turn my pasta off. I'm gonna add one more thing to this, y'all. You know I like to add corn to it. And this is something you don't have to add. I love corn in my goulash. You do not have to add this. This is just my addition to goulash. I love corn. And it's just like a filler. Especially when you're growing up and you got to feed a lot of family. Add some vegetables to that. Add some corn to that. Okay. Y'all with me, yeah? I'm putting y'all to sleep. Some people say I put y'all to sleep with my talking. Okay. Let me get my pasta back here. Get it drained off. And then we're going to add the pasta to the... Add the pasta right in here to this. We ain't gonna put it in the oven. We ain't gotta do none of that, y'all. We're gonna put the pasta right in there. I'm gonna cover it and let it sit for 15 minutes. And it'll be time to eat, y'all. Okay. Add the noodles to that. Come out of there. Come out of there. Some of them don't want to come out of there. There we go. There we go. All we're gonna do, y'all, is just fold this in here. Fold that meat sauce in there, y'all. That's all we're gonna do. Get it all completely folded in there good. We're gonna have a big old pot of old school Southern goulash. Make sure you get all that meat sauce in there, incorporated in there good. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Yeah, but that ain't good eating there. Oh, you need some garlic bread. Or like we used to use some old light bread. You use no garlic bread, you use light bread, y'all. You can feed, what, 15 people on this. I know you can feed 10 easily. Easily feed 10 people on this, y'all. Look at that. Look at that goodness there. Big old, like I say, big old pot of goodness. So anyway, y'all, I'm going to step off. What I'm going to do, what I like to do, I like to let it sit. Cover and let it sit about 15 minutes. Let all the flavors kind of get to know each other. Like, hey, how y'all doing? I'm the macaroni. Oh, I'm meat sauce. Oh, nice to meet you. So we're going to let it get to know each other and we'll come back We're gonna taste a big old bowl of old school goulash. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this here. Still hot. See the smoke coming off of it, y'all? This is the real deal. I gotta put some hot sauce on mine. Gotta have goulash with hot sauce on it, y'all. That's just me. You don't like hot sauce, you don't have to eat hot sauce. Look at this. Look at that, y'all. All right, let's try this out. See how it holds together? That's the thickness of the sauce. Look at that. The steam just coming off of that. See how rich that sauce is? That's important. Ain't nothing worse than me eat some pasta with sauce. It's just runny. See how it is? There's nothing runny in this sauce. See? It's all clinging to the pasta. All right, let's try this out. That's childhood. I'll tell you. Look at that. Look how it slings and clean together. Sauce is on there. See that? Give y'all a close up. Open up. One more bite here. That's the easiest dish to make, y'all. If you can't make this, just don't watch the channel no more. If you can't make this, it's easy. Your kid can make this. I'm telling you. Have your kids make it. That's gonna be y'all homework for this week. Get your kid, watch my video, get everything out. Make sure they 14 and over. Cause I don't be responsible for kids getting burnt on the stove. But let them make this. I promise you they can. Take less than 30 minutes to do. But anyway, y'all, good Sunday afternoon after church. Like I said, you can make this after church, y'all. Make this and then go to sleep. So anyway, let me close this video out. I've had a long day today. Still energized. I'm just go and lay down here on the bed. Had that AC down to 65. Eat my dinner here and relax. I got church at 7 o'clock in the morning. But anyway, y'all, if you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, excuse me, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a happy, blessed Sunday. Stay prayed up, stay safe, and remember I love you. See y'all later. Bye.